Anantha from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. This is the first time I came to a technical hub. Actually, I don't know what is technical hub before coming here. But when I came here and visited every stall, I learned that what is technical hub and how it is useful in my life to build my career in a bright way. I visited many stalls and every stall has their own priority. Among all those, I felt like IoT, that is Internet of Thinking, makes me to learn something new. We are here to learn something new and to discover ourselves to this world, what we are. So IoT stands for Internet of Thinking. It involves both software as well as hardware. I am from CSE specialization, mostly concentrate on software. We don't have any brief knowledge on hardware. If I become a part of this IoT, I can learn software as well as hardware. Moreover, we can control any electronic devices through our mobile phone in spite of the place we have. Thank you Technical Hub and PUBG sir for giving me this opportunity to prove myself to this world what I am. Thank you.